Welcome to UAT. Thanks so much for carving out some time to see our campus. Welcome home. Come with me. So we're gonna get started at our front desk. This is our front donut desk. We call it the donut desk. There's not donuts here, but there may be if you come on the right day. These are our lovely student ambassadors. They typically guide our campus tours, and we have many different staff members that you're gonna see today. Everyone's fun, everyone's friendly, so just give us a virtual wave once you see us. Come on this way. This is our small commons. So the small commons is the little sister, the large commons is the big sister that you'll see later on. This is a small, quiet area where our students can come over, study, put their headphones in, and just get to their work. We'll come back this way. Look at this cool thing. This is our UAT sock. Now these aren't the things that are on your feet. This is our Security Operations Center. This is the Center for All Cyber Intelligence. Walk with me this way. So right now, there's a class actually happening right now. Did you know that UAT has one of the top network security and cybersecurity degrees? We teach hands-on concepts like red versus blue. One team hacks, one team defends. And if you look close, you'll see some of those really cool screens that keep all of our students up to all of the basics of cybersecurity and what's happening in the world. Just like for the class right now, they're working on hands-on servers. So as you can see in real time, our curriculum is focused on hands-on, project work, and collaboration. Will you be watching a screen sometimes? Yes, but for the most part, you're gonna be doing things. Come on. So you'll see some of these high top tables. This is where you can plug in, you can watch, you can do your homework. We have some professors here as well. That's one of our professors, Ray. If you are into software engineering, computer science, Ray's gonna be your professor. She's gonna teach you all the tips and tricks that you need. Come with me this way. Did somebody say new? New technology. This is our new technologies lab. This is where we house all the latest and greatest technologies, from the HTC Vive to the Oculus Rift, all your latest headsets. We have those in here, so if VR is your game, get ready to play. We also have mobile development stations and software development stations over here. And I want to introduce you to someone special that you may see later. This is Rolo. Rolo is one of our intern bots. That's a partnership between UAT and SciTech. Rolo will be giving this tour in about 10 years. They say AI is coming for everything, but Rolo is going to be a friendly one. Come this way. Now, this is one of my favorite places. I don't know about you, but I'm a foodie. This is the UAT Cafe. We serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and on-campus students will have access to meal plans and meal plan options. Come this way. So whether you like waffles, whether you like Pringles, pizza, we have Taco Tuesday, we have Burger Fridays. I'm telling you folks, the food here is really good. You're going to enjoy it. We have some snacks over there too, your Doritos, your drinks. Come with me this way. This is my favorite area. I don't know about you, but I love coffee. Coffee in the morning, coffee at night. There's no rules and restrictions. Here at UAT, we're all about very good vibes. And I hug the coffee because UAT has something we do unique. We actually have a midnight service for our students. So from 12 a.m. To around 1 to 2, our cafe opens up and you can get some good bites like pizza, onion rings, chicken wings. So while you're fueling up, you'll be able to work on your work overnight. Isn't that cool? At my university, way back when I went to school, everything closed at 9 p.m., which sucks if you have that midnight hunger. Come my way. So we have some vending options too for when the cafe is closed, so you can get your vending on. You need that Red Bull, you can grab it. Come with me to our theater. So this is the UAT Theater. This is an area that we recently renovated. As you can see, it's nice, it's clean. This is where we house a lot of events, like some events we have coming up really soon. Also, our Student Activities Council Geek Row meets in here as well. So every Wednesday at 2:30, our Student Activities Council will come in here and talk about all the amazing events they have for the week. We have so many different clubs that I can't wait to show you when we reach those posters upstairs. But this theater hosts a lot of different events. So we have Career Week coming up, which if you're a UAT student, you'll have access for the full week to a network of local and national employers. Also, we host our Student Innovation Project Showcase in here. And you're probably asking, Robert, what's a Student Innovation Project Showcase? I'm going to tell you. All students here at UAT innovate. And so before you graduate, you'll complete your Student Innovation Project and you'll come up here and pitch it during the showcase. So picture yourself up here with your brand new innovations, giving your speech about the latest technology that you're going to innovate for the future. That's going to be you. So here at UAT, we innovate for the future. We don't just talk about it. You're gonna see a lot of things on the wall. Hashtag TechRespect is UAT's hashtag. So if you see this, you know it's UAT. Come with me this way. So this is our large commons. This is a really, really cool area. Come down with me. Let's do some studying. Here at UAT, we have 24/7 access to the large commons. So whether you get inspiration at 1, 2, or 2 a.m., you can come down here and study. We have multiple computers, multiple stations, a lot of opportunity down here. We have some of these small cubbies over here. So if you like a little bit of privacy, you can do that. Get in those cubicles and do your thing. And then we have some really, really cool seating areas over here as well. So when you're all done with your schoolwork, you're done with the large commons, and you've done your computer work, you can come here, sit down, relax, get a glass of lemonade, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You can work on multiple projects here in the small commons. It's really, really cool. So whether you're working on cybersecurity, IT, computer science, here at UAT, you'll always have access to the latest and greatest technology right at your fingertips. So this is right outside our theater. We're actually setting up for an event this Saturday. There's always something happening here at UAT. So if you're wondering what is there to do in the Phoenix area, it's actually AZ Tech Week this week. A lot of exciting things. There's so many things in the Valley to do here in Phoenix and the Tempe metro area. Come into our portal. The portal is a one-stop shop. You come in here with a question and you typically get an answer. Most of our student-facing administration is in this room. So whether you're looking to take those admissions next steps, get financial aid-related questions answered, this is the room for you. And look, a really, really cool fish tank. We've seen the portal, now let me transport you somewhere else. Now we're gonna head to our bindery. It's a really, really cool apparel shop. Welcome to the bindery. This is where we have all the UAT apparel, the swag, UAT mom, UAT dad. Our new mascot, Raph the Wyvern, is up there as well. We have all the apparel that you need. So if you want to rep UAT, you have the opportunity to. We even have an online shop for you to do that. We have our lovely bindery assistants here to assist. And so the great thing about UAT is if you have any printing needs, you can handle that here. But also, we make the cost of books really, really effective. Instead of charging per book, we have a one-time flat resource fee that'll cover most of your resources for the semester, which is really, really cool. Cuts down on cost saving, and believe me, you will see the difference. Now we're gonna back it up, and you're gonna see one of our really, really cool labs. Now this is our RCC, our Research and Creation Center. This is a really, really cool area with so many different things. We have a podcast studio in the back, so whether you're looking to start your new podcast or listen to our new podcast that you'll see soon, you can go back there and work to your heart's content. We have workstations over here as well. We also have Beck's robotics competitions. Again, this is a research and creation area. So there's mixed modalities and it's multi-use. And then look up. This area is also equipped with motion capture. No green screen needed, folks. All you have to do is bring your creation in here and you can utilize the motion capture to your heart's content. I've seen plenty of students come in here, create drones, fly drones. This area is an opportunity for you to utilize to take your products to a new lab upstairs once you're done. Come in here, research, come in here and create, come in here and do your thing. Now, if you thought this tour was over, you haven't even seen the half of it. That's just the first level. Once we get upstairs, I'm gonna show you classrooms, labs, so many cool things. This is our engineering lab. As you can see, it's a little bit messy, but if you're an engineer or you're a roboticist, you know that it can get messy at times. It's messy by design. A lot of works in here are student works. We'll take a quick walk around. We have all these different resistors, transistors, LEDs for you. Here at UAT, we're very hands-on, and so you're gonna see a lot of different materials from soldering to some of our CAD setups over here. We have VEX competitions that our students compete in, so if you want to compete collegiately, you can do that as well. You can compete in our VEX competitions and put your robotics work to the test. We're also sustainable, so a lot of the older technologies that may have gone out of style and need updating, we don't throw them away, we use them and repurpose them here in our labs here. As you can see, everything here at UAT is transparent. So we have our servers, they're set up in the Dune colors. I know there's a new movie about that coming out soon. We're always renovating and creating for our students, and so you'll see a lot of different spaces that may be under construction. It's just to enhance the student experience. When we look around, we don't say, hey, that space is fine. We say, what can we do to improve it for our students? You'll see some showcases here from VR to our makeup and modeling. And then can you recognize what this is? Most people can't. That's where virtual reality started. Did you know that UAT had one of the first virtual reality degrees in the nation? Now you do. Now these are a blast from the past. Old vinyl cutters, basic 3D printers and etchers. This just goes to show that technology may go out of style, but you still want to keep it around just in case. Now, what would a school be without faculty? This is our faculty study. This is an area where faculty will come, they'll grade, they'll do a lot of different things. They don't have typical offices, it's just this room. And so they come in here, they grade, they hang out. How's it going, professors?
It's the computer lab too. I heard the engineering lab too.
Yeah. That's Professor Prater. He teaches in the robotics lab. Those are our amazing professors. They're working tirelessly to enhance the student experience. Everyone here works as a team, and we're one big family. So this is the Makers Lab. This is an area where if you think of a design, you can create it. We have 3D printers, foam cutters, vinyl cutters. We have software in here. You can make to your heart's content. It's all about making, fabricating, building, design, and manufacturing. Look at this. It feels like Christmas in July. A lot of really cool things that our students have made. I've seen wallets, I have seen violins. We recently have seen a lot of different projects, and our students also partner with different community and organizations to build different works. So if you have a really cool idea, or maybe you have a 3D printer at home, you should come to UAT and build those innovations and really join our ecosystem. I know what you've been thinking this whole tour. Robert, this is a university. Where are the classrooms? Now I'm going to show you what a classroom looks like here at UAT, and it's definitely different. Come on in. This is what a UAT classroom looks like. Isn't it cool? So check out the configuration. You'll see all these stars in the setup. Why? Because you're a star. At least you are when you come to UAT. The setup is configured so that you can learn in your best style. UAT, we have our own engineered system. It's a synchronic learning method where you learn in the best way in which you retain information. So whether you are a visual learner, a hands-on learner, or you're like me, where you just need to listen to something to grasp it, UAT has so many different modalities and concepts for you to really grasp what you need to learn. And then we have TVs in every single room. Now that isn't for watching Netflix or Hulu. That's so our virtual students can join in the classroom. We have so many different type of opportunities. We want you to come on campus, but there's also options if you can't. So now that you've seen our classrooms, we've got a few more places I want you to check out. Come on into the study. The study is a really cool area. We host so many different events in here, and you're probably looking like, wow, can this university get any cooler? It does. We have meeting spaces, we have a boardroom, we have a patio out there. So a lot of different companies will come in here and they will host their meetings right here. Why is that important to you? Because UAT is a community, And so those companies and organizations come out, they'll have their meetings in here, and they get to interact with our students. It's a win-win for everybody. We also have a lot of plants. You'll see a lot of plants around on the tour. The university was actually built using feng shui principles. What does that mean? The vibe is good. You want to go to the club? Well, you can club here at UAT. We have so many different clubs that you can choose from. This list is just a few. Nerf Wars is one of the most popular clubs, where every Friday at around 7:30, the students will transform the university into a Nerf War zone. It's all fun and friendly, and they clean up after, but that's just one small piece of what UAT's culture is all about. Creating a club is easy as well. All you need is 2 members and an advisor, and you can get your own club started. Would you start a club? If so, which club would you start? All right, we've been walking around the university, but now it's time to move. So let's get to it. This is our movement studio, where all we do is move. So this is an area where we host a lot of different things. This is an area for our robotics students, for them to test out some of their items. We have a fencing club too. Have you ever fenced before? It's really, really cool. We have a fencing club that meets in here when it gets a little bit too hot outside. We also teach yoga as well. There's so many different options. And speaking of that, let me show you our iFit. So whether you want to get a little bit of a workout in between classes, or you just want to test out the new technology, we have iFits in this room so that you can listen to an AI robot that will tell you how you need to work out. Our art club actually utilizes this space as well. So they'll play classical music, they'll put out these easels, and they'll get their art on. So whether you're interested in STEM or you're interested in digital art, there's an option for you. Now, we call these walls the Great Walls of Information. There's so much information on these walls that I want to point out to you, from featured staff to featured faculty. Also, Max. This is the Max area. Max the cat is UAT's campus cat. He's really, really cool. He came on campus and we said, you have to stay. And then these are our news and industry trends. UAT is #1 in so many different areas. Did you know that UAT had the #1 design school in Arizona? See, the more you know. UAT is also accredited. We're accredited by the Higher Learning Commission. This is our esports arena. This also functions as another classroom as well, so it's really, really cool. Our team competes collegiately all around the valley and nationally, and they even have really, really cool lockers over here to keep their stuff. Esports is a sport, and our athletes take it really, really seriously. This is one of our last stops, and it's outside. So you've seen our amazing campus here at UAT, and now this is our outside area. We call it the Quad, where we host a lot of events and keep the grounds really maintained. And so if you look over there, there's a really, really cool area. You may see a random DJ. Over here, you may see during the summer or fall areas, volleyball or splash pads. It's just a really, really fun time being here at UAT. So now that you've seen our campus, what do you think? You know what I think? I think that you should be here. Go to www.uat.edu and get your butt over here.